Hi friends, here is a very simple problem that came in IIT 2001. We are given four positive numbers A, B, C, D, which are in arithmetic progression. Then what we can say about these products, these numbers A, B, C, A, B, D, A, C, D, B, C, D, whether they are in arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, or nothing. Right. So let us take these numbers. If these are in arithmetic progression A, B, C, D, then if we divide them with this product of these four numbers, A, B, C, D, this will still be in arithmetic progression, right? When four numbers are in arithmetic progression, we are dividing them with some constant, right? Obviously, these four numbers will also be in arithmetic progression because if it is, let's say, this is A plus some k is B, A plus 2k is C, A plus 3k is D, let's say, if they are in arithmetic progression. Right. B minus A is K. Now, this what will happen to this number? This becomes B minus A by ABCD. Right. That is K by ABCD. Just that the common difference changes, but still these four are also in arithmetic progression. Right. What does that mean? 1 by BCD. If you cancel this, A we can cancel, B we can cancel here. This becomes 1 by ACD, this becomes 1 by ABD, this becomes 1 by ABC. These are in arithmetic progression. Right. If these are in arithmetic progression, obviously the reciprocals of this will be in harmonic progression. That means BCD, ACD, ABD, ABC, these are in harmonic progression. If these four are in harmonic progression, obviously if we take this order from left to right or right to left, then they are also in harmonic progression. Right. So that means ABC, this ABD, this ACD, and this BCD, these are also in harmonic progression. That is the question. Very simple, right? ABC, ABD, ACD, BCD. ABC, ABD, ACD, BCD. Right? These four are actually in harmonic progression. Right? Just by looking at the problem. Right? ABC. Here D is missing. ABD. Here C is missing. ACD. Here B is missing. BCD. Here A is missing. A, B, C, D. Right? Just by looking at this problem, we should realize that A, B, C, D are missing in each of these three letters. That's why we should get this idea that this is very symmetric, and that's why we should get this idea. It's a very simple problem. Hope you understood this. Right, these numbers are actually in harmonic progression. Thank you, guys.